were building something quite special here at the Rose Bowl. A standard stadium seat was not enough for us. We wanted to be part of setting a new benchmark.
The box seat system offers huge flexibility, and it really is one of the selling points of the range of equipment.
Arena thus far have just been an excellent partner. They work with us, they talk to us, they do what they say they're going to do and when they say they're going to do it. Arena Seating's relationship with us goes back a number of years now. We've been in partnership with them for about 4 or 5 years. They are the provider of our semi-permanent seating, and we use quite a number of seats every year, 10,000 per event, and we're now increasing the number of events we have. So over a number of years we've come to trust them. When we found out that they were also the distributor for the box seat, that was fabulous, because having that alongside the deliverer of our semi-permanent seating was just a match made in heaven for us, really. So the box seat looked to be hitting the kind of standards we wanted. It was made well, it looked flexible, we liked the rail system that meant we could change things and move things around.
There's a great future for the box seat because the range has been developed on an ongoing basis by Sheldon King, the designer. The box seat sets itself apart from all other systems really because it's based on a bar system. The bar can be fixed into the terracing, follow the terracing, follow the curvature of the terracing. Whatever seat within the range can be fixed to that bar. Therefore, the seat can be fixed at any point around the stadium, can be fixed at any spacing. So if arms are required, for instance, armrests are required within an area after the general arrangement seat, spectator seat's been put in, those general arrangement seats can be spread out wider on the bar and arms can be fixed. If you want to produce a larger VIP area at some point in the future, press seats can be installed, media seats can be installed and taken away again. So if you have a peak of press arriving within a particular stand, those press seats can be put in onto the system, no holes need drilling in the concrete because the bar is already there, and can be taken away afterwards and the general arrangement seats put back in very, very quickly.
It was made well, it looked fine, it had a good size to it, it looked flexible. One of the other things we particularly liked is that we understood Arena Seating to be looking at using that system for their new Clearview semi-permanent seating, which we use quite a lot, and we thought having the new box seat in the stand right next to the same seat in a semi-permanent seating system, it would be almost seamless, and as a venue it gave us the best of all worlds really.
The resources we have within Arena Seating are substantial. We have 90 odd full-time employees, many of which have been with us for 25 to 30 years, and they're very much specialists in the field, in a specialist field, which is providing seating solutions into sporting events, television, media, conferences. We have all those resources to give a service that we believe no other company can do in the fixed stadium seating world. We have our own fleet of trucks, so we have control over when deliveries are made to stadiums such as the Rose Bowl here. We have our own crew that are experienced in providing these kinds of products into these types of stadiums, conference centres, etc. around the world. We have our own joinery shop, we have our own fabrication department, we have our own team of CAD designers that can do the seating plans. We believe that we can integrate that box seat into legacy stadiums, and by that I mean, given what Arena Seating can offer with a stadium seat and a demountable seat, a legacy stadium that is 80,000 for the games with 30,000 permanent box seats at the front, but add in our new Clearview demountable system at the back with the box seat integrated into it, so that the whole stadium looks seamless with the same seat for the games, but then we remove the rental equipment after the games, the Clearview system, leaving a 30,000 seat stadium which is manageable for the future for that city or country.
The installation of the box seat at the Rose Bowl marks an exciting part of our journey from where we were to where we're going. We're in the middle of a large development that will transform us into a model test match ground, and to have a quality seat like the box seat in our new spectator stands is a very significant step in our development process.